Hello there and welcome to our very first branch of DermaMD Clinics. This is a very long overdue clinic tour, but I think we need to just get into it. This clinic was originally a gynecological hospital and an IVF center. My parents ran this hospital for 40 years. They've delivered half of Thane and they've given hope to so many people. So I was so privileged to be able to start my clinic here. And it's been such a wonderful journey, switching from a whole gynac setup to a skin setup. But it's been fun. So come, let's get in. So this here is the waiting area where everybody is waiting before their appointments, before their consultations or their procedures. This here is the pharmacy where we have all of these amazing skincare products. It is quite fun running through all of the racks. We also have a nice tester here for sunscreens because I've realized that no two people really like the same kind of sunscreens. So we let you try out sunscreens on your hand before you actually buy them, so you know exactly what you're going in for. Pretty cool, right? These are the consultation rooms where we spend most of our time talking to patients, examining them, etc, etc. You can actually follow me right here. This is the other consultation room, and this is how we manage to keep our OPDs going fast, so we can quickly pop in, pop out. History is happening here, prescriptions happening there, all of that keeps happening. This, by the way, was exactly where the OT was, and my dad had delivered me. He delivered my mom. I don't know what do you call that, but I was literally born in this very room, so it's extra special for me. Then the rest of it is mostly admin areas, but if you follow me up, this is the way to the procedure floor where all of the procedures are conducted. Here is where we do our IV drips. So it's a nice relaxing lounge where you can just sit and chill and enjoy a cup of coffee while your IV just gets done. So before we start any procedure, we do document the before condition of the skin. So this is where we take our procedure before after shots. These are all of our procedure rooms. So they're fairly spacious here. We had a lot more space here. So we have a whole bunch of machines here. This first one here is the Secret RF, which is an MNRF device. It is wonderful. MNRF is something that helps with collagen building. So it works on acne scars, on pores, on skin tightening, on anti-aging. It also works extremely well on excess sweat production. So people who have hyperhidrosis, it works brilliantly. Also has a monopolar RF, but that probably is a little too technical for this video. This is our laser hair reduction device. It's a triple wavelength laser, which means it works brilliantly on brown skin. It works really well on fine hair as well as thick hair. So again, one of my absolute favorites. This is our operation theatre where we perform minor surgeries, cyst removals, vitiligo surgeries and hair transplants as well. Then coming to this room, okay, first let me just go over this. This is a cute little welcome board we give any of our patients who are going to be coming in for their procedure. So this procedure is probably lined up next, which is why you see the board. Anyway, this is a picosecond laser, which is basically an Nd:YAG or a Q-switch laser, which works on pigment. So works beautifully on laser tonings, on carbon laser tonings, on getting rid of freckles, pigmentation of any sort. Also works really well on underarm pigmentation, lip pigmentation, tattoo removals. Wonderful device and works extremely well. It's probably one of my most favorite procedures out here. Then this one here is our Medifacial machine, which we absolutely love. So it's got a hydromicrodermabrasion probe, a serum infusion, electroporation, RF for skin tightening, everything, an oxygen neo probe. So it really works extremely well. And Medifacials are probably one of the most commonly done procedures in our clinic because this has become a very cosmetic industry. But Medifacials are something that you can keep doing once a month or once in 2 months to sort of maintain your skin and take care of your skin in the long term, where we select a Medifacial targeted to what exactly your skin concern is. We have a separate area for your face wash, a washroom obviously, and this is a little counseling room that we use to explain post-procedure care and stuff like that. Lastly, this is where we do our hair procedures. So we do our hair spas, our PRPs, all of the relaxing anti-dandruff and hair growth procedures are done here, where it's a really nice relaxing vibe, so you don't get more stressed and lose more hair. So yeah, that was a tour of my whole clinic. I haven't shown you the pantry and the admin parts, which we haven't really renovated as such. But yeah, this is it, and it's really cool to be able to put, I would say, a part of myself out there, because this is literally where we started. You know, I started in this room right here. It was just one single room, which was my original consultation, and my practice picked up. And gradually, we needed more and more rooms. We needed more consultations, more procedure rooms. The team grew. There was new staff, new doctors came on board, and it's been such a whirlwind, a roller coaster of a journey. And now we have a second clinic as well in Hiranandani Estate. And you can actually, I have linked the video here. You can actually take a look at that clinic too. I'm so excited to be able to share this with you. And this is actually a piece of my heart that I'm putting out there for all of you to see.